First fish. Came up and grabbed the crankbait. The old catfish. We can go ahead and get her back. Appreciate the bite, appreciate the fight. Guys, we just caught one on the crankbait and I wasn't recording, so that's always cool. Nice content, bro. I like how you catch fish and don't show us. Damn it. What the heck happened there? Oh, and I got a fish. Oh my God. On the drop shot. I'm trying to get the freaking knot out of my line. Oh, come here, buddy. Calm down for a second. Let me get you unhooked. Yeah. Oh, look at you. Not a bad fish. First bass on camera. Second bass of the trip. We'll get her back. See if I can get this knot out my line. The heck was that? It might have been a little piece of a stick or something. I was bringing something in. I'm not sure what it was. There was definitely something on my hook. Stick. Or a little bitty spot. Like I suspected the first time. Come here, little guy. Yes, sir. I knew I felt something a little funny. I knew you were down there. Pretty little fish. Catch you later. Literally. Oh, that's tough. Don't know how we lost him, but he's in there. They're biting the worm. Got another one? Whoa, what is going on now? I am getting bit like crazy. Okay, now that's what I felt like happened the first time. The worm folded up on me. Okay. Take some preventative action, preventative measures. There he is. There he is, yes sir. He ain't a bad one either. These are not bad fish. Okay. There, bud. Yikes. Sorry about that. Oh, calm down. Calm down. Yes, sir. There goes another. Where's that hook at? That hook out of you. Let's get that hook out of you. There you go. That's bass number 3. That's a bite. It's a little bitty one. Oh my God, did y'all see that jump? Yes sir. Oh, yes sir, he's jumping. Little bitty guy. Came and attacked my worm really quick. As soon as I got it in there, he was on it. Let's get that out of there. Little bitty guy. Little bitty guy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nicer bass. Get you away from that stick. I'll get you away from that stick. Where we at? Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Got us an old decent one. Oh yeah, y'all talk about all these little fish I catch. I'll take me a decent one. Come here. Take me an old decent one. Come here, girl. Don't stop picking on my fish. Me and my little fish. Come here. Oh, he was fighting like a three or four, but yeah. He ain't nothing big, but he was, I know y'all seen it. He was fighting way harder than the rest of those fish. Take it easy, bud. Appreciate the fight. Jesus. I got my blood going right there. I thought I had old big girl. Thought old big girl came to see me. Thought that was her, guys. Thought that was her, for real. Not even gonna lie. Man, this worm is chewed up. That's what I like about this little plastic keeper. You guys can see it, a little plastic piece right there on that worm. Find you some. Find you some. I've used this worm all day so far. There's like 5 or 6 fish on that same worm. You can see it's chewed up, but it's still there, is the point. Fish are biting. That's another one. That one feels nice too. Wow. That one feels nice too. Are you bigger than the last one? Oh, he spit the hook. That was a little bigger than the last one. Not much. Not by much. Is our hook okay? Okay, we're still good. Let's get back in there. They're pushed up in this little pocket. Heading on to another spot. We're gonna troll on the way. We got the crankbait out back. I'll let you know if I hook into anything. I don't know if you can see that reed back there twitching. What we got there? Oh, we got us a perch. Oh my God. I have never caught. Is that a perch? That's a perch. I have never caught a perch on rod and reel. I've never caught a perch in my life. What? That is dope. Oh my God. Look how pretty that fish is, man. Y'all have teeth? huge. You whip that guy. Get that little. Anyway, that's him. Pretty little perch. God, that is crazy. That's a fish. What we got here? What we got here? A little spot. Yep, slow rolling the old crank. Barely skin hooked a little spot. We'll take him. Little bitty guy. That'd be a perfect little fish tank guy. Definitely contemplating that. There he is. Oh yeah. On the crank, on the crank. What we got here? What we got here? Nice little bass on the crank. Looks like a hybrid. Like a spot in a largie had a baby. Another fish. Got a decent one. Nice spot. Nice spot. Finish this up. Man, these guys fight hard. Check him out. Little bitty guy. Thought he was a tank. I'd love to get one more of those before we get up out of here. Ugh.